Hello there, I am Seun Solomon. Welcome to my official YouTube channel, Seun's Online Hustle. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to start making money online. And I'll be taking you by the hand, show you step by step how to start making money online. A lot of people want to make money online, but they don't know how to because their approach is wrong or they are falling into the wrong hands. So in this channel, I'll be expecting videos teaching you how to start a side online hustle, how to start an online business. And note this, anybody can do this, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, you are a pastor, anything you have a job, you don't have a job, you can do this. All you just need is your smartphone or your laptop with a good internet connection. That is all. And in this channel, I'll be teaching you high income skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, how to market using Google, and how to also make money using Google. Isn't that awesome? All you just need to do is to hit the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Anytime I drop awesome videos to listen to how to make money online, you are the first person to receive the notification. And do well to always give us a thumb up in every video we drop, and remember to leave in the comment section your view about the video, if the video was helpful. And also I want you to do something now. Leave in the comments box telling me the topic you want me to talk about relating to making money online or any online stuff, and I will do just that for you. Thank you.